Welcome back to the Tradinghub012. In this video, we'll be discussing the difference between a trading plan and a trading journal. So what is a trading plan? A trading plan is a set of predetermined rules and guidelines a trader outlines before entering a trade, defining their strategy, risk management, and market conditions for potential trades. So this is a summary of a trading plan. A trading plan outlines goals, strategies, and risk management. It also defines market conditions for potential trades and help maintain discipline and avoid impulsive trading. Here's an example of a trading plan. Number 1 on the list says I should check the high time frame buyers. Check weekly trend or the daily time frame trend. Then find impulsive moves on 8-hour or 4-hour. It also says here, all the impulsive moves you find should be super clean moves. If the market is trending up, find bearish impulsive moves. The move can be small but clean. If there's an imbalance near the point of interest, mark it and combine it with the nearest order block, nearest to the 50% to trade from, giving you a refined point of interest. Do the opposite if you're looking for bearish plays. Use 1 hour or 3 hour to find order blocks and imbalances. Mark market structure around your point of interest using candle bodies. Use the lowest weak candle body. If it's an order block, mark 50%. Number 3. Find clean OB on a lower time frame, 5 minutes or 1 minute. Trade 50% of the OB that form after break of structure. If a clean order block isn't made, combine market structure break with imbalances. Number 4. Set stop loss on top or below of the market structure break. That was an example of a trading plan. But a trading plan has its own downsides. Most of the time, people make plans and at the end of the day, they don't follow them or apply them. Also in trading, you can make a trading plan and not follow it at the end of the day. It's simple not to follow your trading plan. Plus, you won't be able to track your performance if you only use a trading plan. And it's possible to repeat the same mistake again and again when your emotions kicks in. That's where a trading journal comes in. What is a trading journal? A trading journal is a record of executed trades, documenting details like entries and exit points, position size, and the outcome of each trade, used to analyze past performances and identify areas for improvement in the trading plan. Essentially, the trading plan is the roadmap and the journal is the detailed log of how the plan was executed or followed in practice. Key points to remember. A trading journal records details of each individual trade and used to analyze performances and identify patterns. It allows introspection on emotions and decision making during trading. So download Notion. I'll put a link in the description so you can easily download it. When you're done, create an account with them to log in. You can log in by just using your email. When you're done, I'll put the journal link template in the description so you can start being organized and being disciplined. This is the template I use when trading. I'll play music in the background to showcase the template, and you can start grabbing the links in the description to download the template. If you got value from this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment below so we can reach a broader audience. Watch this video next to learn more about trading.